For me, it's a family matter, and we're trying to deal with it privately.
Nagsalita na ang singer na si Jed Madela hinggil sa reklamo at matapos sabihang ungrateful ng dating niyang manager na si Annie Mercado, sa pamamagitan ng social media, naglabas ng saloobin si Annie. Paniniwala niya, patama ng singer sa kanya ang kantang Wish You the Worst. Sabi ni Annie sa kanyang post, itinuring niyang kapamilya si Jed bago pa man siya maging manager nito, kung kaya't hindi raw niya matanggap na siya ang pinapatamaan ng singer sa kantang puno ng negativity, hate, and bitterness. Sa eksklusibong panayam ni Jed kay MJ Felipe nitong July 8, nahingan siya ng reaksyon tungkol sa mga sinabi ni Annie. Saad ni Jed, it's a family matter, and we're trying to deal with it privately. Nilinaw rin ni Jed na ang kanta niyang Wish You the Worst ay hindi niya sinulat. Wala rin daw siyang nais patamaan sa lyrics nito. Paglilinaw ni Jed, I didn't write the song. It was written by Q Priest. It just so happened that it was offered to me. I wanted a new sound. Ni-record ko siya. You have to go with the flow of how things are now. It just so happened that it got caught in the middle.